Good morning. Okay, it's not morning because that's west. And we're not going hiking because that's water. And here's the gang.
Hi!
Say hey, gang. So we're at the Guantanamo Matanzas Preserve. Don't yell at me if I didn't say that right. But we're going to be going out with Gilly's taking us out on a tour to look at cool nighttime stuff in the water. So we're going to see some cool stuff. Hopefully I'll be able to get some shots of that for you. We're getting ready for the sun to set behind us. So join us. Jacksonville Hikes is Jacksonville Paddles today. So let's get out on the whatever it is, lake or whatever. It's going to be absolutely beautiful out there today. So let's get going.
After I told you.
Beautiful sunset.
Yeah.
There's the gang, Hunter, Elise,
Bye!
Heather, BB.
Oh, good. The comb jelly. Hey, Ben! Ben! Before you go,
What a beautiful night. So this is going to be really exciting. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to show you because it is going to be a very dark night. But we're going to paddle out and hopefully all come back. So Gilly says she has a 100% survival rate. So we're going to assume that we'll all survive too.
Ben's gonna grab
I
a
hope.
picture of us real quick. I need insurance. Filing a claim. You signed a waiver! I didn't sign anything. You did. Oh. You signed your life away when you joined this group. Wait, where's Mom?
Cool. Mom.
Really? Yeah, that's Mom. Because she's our tour guide, not Hunter today. Oh no, we're on a collision course!
Again?
I can't steer this thing, okay? Come on, buddy. You're supposed to be nice to me. I'm coming, buddy. Where y'all? This lake was actually created in the 50s. The folks who live at the north end, a lot of oil money up there, said, wouldn't this be really cool if we had a place to go duck hunting and fishing? And they said, yeah, very cool. So they built this dam. So after the dam was built in the 50s, in the late 80s, it was actually sold to the local community. And then in 90 or 92, it was sold to the state of Florida. So this is a joint effort between the state of Florida, Department of Environmental Protection, and NOAA. So we have researchers from all over the world coming into this research reserve. Yes, ma'am. Who's NOAA? National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association. Thank you, ma'am. Administration. As you were.
Thank you.
Any questions, if you guys have any questions?
That's awesome.
Because that's where all the land manatees are.
That's it. So anyway, this end of the lake is saltwater. The north end of the lake, which is 17 miles long, the north end is freshwater. It's being fed by freshwater springs up near the Ponte Vedra. So what they can do with what they do with the dam actually is they're controlling what the salinity levels are. So if the salinity levels are too high, they're going to let water out. If it's getting too low, they're going to let water in. If the lake level gets too high, they let water out. So they're completely controlling everything with that dam. On the other side of it is where the river naturally used to flow. So that's a tidal marsh over there that's used to be predominantly tidal. So it's a really cool place. One of the things that they've learned with the research here over about the last 25 years is the importance of wetlands.
Yeah, I got wetlands right now. My butt.
That's wet bottom. Wet nether region?
No, it's wetlands.
All right, now we're going up this creek. Of course, I have to paddle, so I'm going to paddle on in, and if you see anything cool, I'll show you. So just to be clear, this whole gang, I don't know if you can see them, this is all the Jacksonville Hikes crew. So this isn't some other tourist group. It's all of us out here having a lot of fun on the water. Super awesome. I'm just not sure. Oh, did you see that? The fish just jumped right in front of me. And I hope I can capture how beautiful it is out here. Are you guys having fun?
Oh yeah.
So in this cup, and I'm sure you can't see them, are the little jellyfish that we've caught. And hopefully later we will be able to see them as phosphorescent in the dark. That little strange color in the middle is not one of them. They're here in the cup. Let me see if I can get a better shot of them here. So, the little blobs that are in there are the little jellyfish that we've caught. So we'll see what they look like a little later. It is absolutely beautiful out here on the lake. And we have some stars starting to come out. I don't think you can see them on here, but absolutely gorgeous. I know you can't see it, but this noise are mullets. Mullet just jumping on the water.
The jumping fish. All of the jumping fish. Yeah, don't go too close.
Did I just have a Discovery Channel in my cup?
Something else that's really cool with these guys.
Conversation. That's what I feel like what just happened right here.
So, if they get into a situation where there's not much of a food source, they will actually digress and go back to their larval stage.
Oh.
And they'll hang out in the larval stage, which requires less energy.
That is my butt. It's fine.
Thank you, Kelly. All right, that's it from here at GTM Reserve, having fun on the water with the Jacksonville Hiking crew. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the trails for the lake. Happy trails, everybody. Bye-bye. You guys have fun?
Yes.
What was your favorite?
Singing, do you know them up
Alright, do
in
the
there?
song.
Phenomena. Do 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 do. Phenomena. Skilly.